Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply download and install Lowe home improvement application on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on whatever application or whatever phone you are on. All you need to do is simply go ahead and search for Lowe's Home Improvement. So let me just go ahead and do that. As you can see, this is the application you want to download. Click on Get, and it's going to ask you to verify yourself on iOS device, not on the Android. And it's going to simply go ahead and download and install in 5 to 10 seconds right over here. So let's just wait for that. And as you can see, all you need to do is click on open. Now you can simply log in or sign up right over here and then get to it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.